Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to connect a PlayStation 5 to a laptop. You cannot simply plug an HDMI cable directly from your console to your computer, as your laptop's HDMI port is typically an output only. You will need an intermediary device, which we will discuss next, to capture the video feed. This method creates a portable gaming setup, letting you enjoy your favorite titles anywhere. First, acquire an HDMI capture card. This device converts your PlayStation 5's video signal for your laptop. Look for one that connects via USB 3.0 or higher to ensure adequate bandwidth for smooth gameplay. You will also need two HDMI cables, preferably at least 3 feet long, and a laptop with robust specifications to handle the video stream without lag. Begin by connecting one HDMI cable from your PlayStation 5's HDMI output directly into the capture card's HDMI input port. Next, take the second HDMI cable and connect it from the capture card's HDMI output to a separate display, like a television. This secondary connection is helpful for initial troubleshooting and ensures the signal is passing through. Finally, connect the capture card to your laptop using its USB 3.0 cable. With the hardware connected, it is time for software. Install the drivers and the dedicated capture software that came with your capture card onto your laptop. Once installed, launch the application and choose your capture card from the list of available video input devices. You might need to adjust settings like resolution to 1092 by 1080 pixels and frame rate to 60 frames per second for the best visual experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.